Ciao and welcome to the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Ever wondered how to wish someone well in Italian? Whether it's a birthday, wedding or holiday, Italians have the perfect expressions for offering heartfelt good wishes. So, let's dive in and explore the many ways you can wish people well in Italian. Let's start with the most common expression, auguri. This phrase can be used for any positive occasion. For a birthday, you would say auguri di buon compleanno. Please repeat after me. Auguri di buon compleanno. For a wedding, it's auguri per il vostro matrimonio. Let's say it again. Auguri per il vostro matrimonio. And around New Year's Eve, you'll hear auguri di buon anno. Please repeat. Auguri di buon anno. Now, let's look at some other phrases for different occasions. Buona fortuna. Buona fortuna is perfect when wishing someone success before an exam, job interview, or any challenging situation. In bocca al lupo. In bocca al lupo is a fun Italian phrase for good luck, which means break a leg. The response to this is crepi il lupo. If someone is graduating, you can say auguri per il tuo diploma. And for someone going on a trip, you would say buon viaggio. When it comes to congratulating someone, you can say congratulazioni. Congratulazioni is used for many different achievements, such as graduating. You will say congratulazioni per la laurea. And for a new job, congratulazioni per il nuovo lavoro. For anniversaries, use felice anniversario. Felice anniversario is a beautiful way to honor a marriage or a special occasion. During holidays and special events, Italians have specific phrases to express their best wishes. Here are some important ones. Please repeat after me. Buon Natale or auguri di buon Natale. Felice anno nuovo or buon anno. Buona Pasqua. These phrases are great for making your holiday wishes extra special. Now that you have all these beautiful Italian well wishes, I have a question for you. What's your favorite Italian well wish? Comment below with your answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Buona fortuna e tanti auguri! Ciao!